We talked about the non-profit discount. Hootsuite offers, they call it registered non-profit organisations. You don't have to be a charity, you just have to prove that you're a non-profit. To apply for the non-profit discount, visit this page, and as I said, we'll send out the slide. You'll be able to click on the link and you'll get to a page that says non-profit discount application. You just click on apply now. Then again, fill in a form about what your organisation's status is, where you're based, what you do, and click on apply now. So this pop-up will come and you'll get an email confirmation from Hootsuite saying, thank you for your application. We aim to process it within the next working week. When your application is accepted, you'll get an email like this. Your application has been approved. And then what it means is on your billing page, you will only be billed for half the price that you see.